You live in the UK and you want to do crypto? Watch this video and you will get to know the cheapest crypto platform, but not only that, also the easiest crypto platform and also the one giving you the highest interest for lending your crypto. So let's get straight into it. And we're not gonna beat around the bush in this video. The cheapest crypto exchange is Binance. Yes guys, Binance. And if we scroll down, we see that the company is global, actually available everywhere, not just in the UK. And not only that guys, because Binance is so much more. It is the world's largest crypto exchange by daily spot trading volume. And if you've been subscribed to this channel, you know that Binance is always the platform that I recommend because it's got a lot of liquidity, it's very cheap, and has got a lot of coins, a lot of them, many more compared to other exchanges. And when I mean cheap, I'm gonna show you in a second what cheap means in terms of fees and everything. I'm gonna break it down for you. But if you want to stay up to date on the best exchange for your money and all things crypto, this is the channel. I'm gonna make video updates on the best cryptocurrency exchange every time it changes so that you're always up to date and you get the best rate possible or the best exchange for your goal. But now let me show you why Binance is the cheapest crypto exchange of all. Now these are the fees for Binance. Market maker 0.1%, market taker 0.1%. Now market maker means that you place limit orders for your crypto. Okay, that's one thing. Market taker is for when you place market orders. Let me know in the comment section if you don't know the difference between a market order and a limit order, and I will answer it for you. But basically these are the lowest fees that can be achieved when using BNB. And also there is no deposit and withdrawal fees for pounds and euro transactions. But not only that guys, Binance has got so much more going on for them, and I'm gonna break it down for you so that you fully understand what this exchange is capable of. Now the next thing is Binance offers high liquidity across all trading pairs, and this is another screen, and this one is CoinMarketCap. Look at the number of coins that are available on Binance, 358, and that is compared to other exchanges, for example Kraken with only 62, Coinbase Pro with only 63, and so on. And so they offer a lot of coins, they have a high liquidity, and they have high volume. And as I said, they are the cheapest. So what you're waiting for? Get yourself an account on Binance. And if you haven't got it already, get yourself an account using the first link in the description below, because this way you're also gonna get 20% off your trading fees. And yes, that is in addition to what they currently charging. So not only they are the cheapest, but they also offer discounts on their trading fees, and that's 20% only if you use the first link in the description below. But guys, there are actually some cons with Binance, and the first one that I've been told by my subscribers is that it's not really easy to use, to be honest. And because user friendliness is very important when you buy crypto, because you don't want to end up buying some crypto that you don't know, or you don't want to get stuck having your money there on Binance and not being able to use it, especially when you really want to buy a Bitcoin dip. And so the next thing we're gonna look at is the easiest platform for your crypto purchases. Let's dive into it right now. And Coinbase is by far the easiest platform to use for your crypto purchases, and it's based in the US. It's very well known. It's actually the most popular cryptocurrency exchange on the planet, and that is for a clear reason guys. It's very simple to use, but not only that, Coinbase gives you something that many other platforms do not give you. On Coinbase you can earn crypto while learning about crypto, and so these are all the little courses that you can take. So for example, on this coin Ampleforth, you can earn $3 if you complete the course. Or for example Cello, you can earn 11 whatever that is dollars if you complete this course, and it goes on $3. You see how many there are. And so that overall gives you the possibility to dip your toe into the crypto space without even spending any money at all. But Coinbase has got some cons that we need to have a look at before actually buying into it, and we're talking fees here. So for card purchases you pay 3.99% fees on all purchases. If you instead deposit your money on it, which is obviously the best way to save on this ginormous 3.99%, which you can just avoid by moving your money into your account. The next set of fees that you cannot avoid is the 0.25% taker and the 0.15 maker that is on Coinbase Pro. And if you want to try Coinbase and you want, for example, make money while learning about crypto, just use the second link in the description below and that will give you $10 when you spend 72 pounds on Bitcoin or any other crypto. So have a look at it and potentially just get started with the free crypto that you get by completing the free courses, and maybe if you like the platform, also buy the 72 pounds to get $10 worth of crypto. Have a look at it. But guys, if your strategy is to simply buy and hold, and so if you really want to get the best value possible, you will want to get an account on a platform paying you interest for lending your crypto. And so let me show you the platform that gives you the highest interest for your crypto, kind of like an interest account for your cash. And at the time of recording, it is BLOCKFI, and let's have a look at what they're offering. You can earn interest up to 8.6% and also borrow cash and buy or sell crypto on the platform. And so the amount of interest that you can earn from BLOCKFI actually varies on the cryptocurrency that you lend to BLOCKFI themselves. If you look on their website, you can actually see what this means. So for example, if you lend 100 bitcoins, that means that you will earn 9 bitcoins over 10 years for a total of $532,000 over 10 years, guys. This is a lot of money, but let's switch it down to 1 year. So with 100 bitcoin in a year, you would be able to make up about 1 bitcoin. So that's not bad at all given the price of bitcoin. But if you, for example, you do the same for Ethereum, you would be able to get 5.25 Ethereum in a year, which is a total of $20,000. So on the website, you can play a tune, see what you're gonna get by simply lending your cryptos. Now, I've personally heard not great things about BLOCKFI in terms of the trading platform. I've heard that you do not get the best price possible. You tend to get a very high price when you place an order, and that is not great. It's much more expensive than actually paying a fee to, for example, Binance. So what I recommend to do is to buy, for example, on Binance and then to transfer over to BLOCKFI and lend your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, everything to BLOCKFI because they give the best interest. And by the way, if you haven't got your BLOCKFI account, just get one because it's free and you don't have to pay anything to just have it open. I actually opened one a few days ago and it's totally free and it took me just 10 minutes. And by the way, if you want to stay up to date on the cheapest platform to buy crypto and to actually do anything, I'm gonna do something similar also for stocks. This is the channel because I'm gonna make this video on a monthly basis so that you're always up to date on the cheapest platform for your money. And if you want to hear the latest on the most explosive cryptocurrency there is in the market right now, watch this video. The video on the screen right now are the latest news on SafeMoon, a cryptocurrency that is currently going to the moon. So click on the video.